Well, welcome to a very windy ADHD Customs. In this episode, I'm going to tell you all the things that were wrong with the Golf and stuff I've done on the Passat, and just the shit show that I've had to deal with in the last few hours. I went and bought myself some very rare wheels called Antera 123 alloy wheels, 17-inch, really cool, from the 80s, 90s, really cool. Just took them up to the place to have these tyres put on these wheels and the wheels put on. They're 4x100 by the way, and they took the tyres off, and when they went to put them on, they couldn't fit a valve through the valve hole. So the valve holes are too small, so I'm going to have to drill them out at some point, but spent money to have tyres done and I didn't actually end up doing anything. I bought indicators for the side, weird funky ones. I didn't realise I did that, but I've also bought some matching black indicators for the front of the Golf. On the Passat, I changed the CB joint and I fitted the front wheel spacers, so as you can see the wheels now stick out where they should do, but I've still got that annoying knocking noise, and I think I figured out it's actually the brakes. The brakes are so warped on the front, especially this corner, that they're actually making a clonking noise. Hello, Sissy. Hello. So yeah, that's what's going on there. I've got a whole table full of parts indoors that I couldn't fit because it was peeing down this morning. But yeah, this is so my plan today was this weekend was to get this sorted so I can drive it to work. Still making a noise, so now I've got all the brakes. All CV joints are done on the whole front end, but now the brakes need doing because they're so badly warped that it's just making a horrible noise. Got the wheels I wanted, picked them up, went to put tyres on them to put them on this because I can't stand the wheels that are on it. Thought, result, let's do it. Can't do that because I need to drill the valve holes out. So everything I've tried to do this weekend has just been a ball ache. It's just not gone to plan. Nothing has gone to plan. I've got a front splitter that I'm about to chuck on that. You basically just rip that off, it's little clips along the top, and I've got a VR6 one to go on. Yeah, I had to fix the roof in this because I came out this morning to this car. It'd been raining all night. I opened the driver's door and this is a quick video that I took earlier. This is what I discovered. Look, I mean, filled with water. So basically, when the door's shut, because it's just glass, it's coming in here, this little thing here. But I undone this clip here, and this little thing here has got a, let me turn the indicators off. This little thing here has got a bolt to adjust this spike that pulls the roof down, so I've adjusted it right up, and now it seems to put it down really tight. So hopefully tomorrow morning I won't have any more water in there. Also, another thing that was wrong with the Golf is when I got it, the clock would not stay, its memory wouldn't stay, and nor with the stereo. So I changed one fuse, that all works, all the central locking started working, and I had to swap the memory and positive round on the stereo. That now works, so I've managed to get it in. So yeah, it was meant to be a video this weekend of me fitting all the really cool stuff on the car, being, you know, being excited, all the stuff that I bought for the money from the T4. It was meant to be me doing all that, but it ended up me doing nothing because it's peeing down, and everything I did try and do, it didn't change a thing. Still got a broken Passat, still haven't got the wheels on the Golf. Did try though. So yeah, that's what's happening now. So yeah, okay. For anybody wanting to change these on a MK3 Golf, you pop that in there, that comes off. You pull this little clip there, that whole thing comes out. That is literally it. And then you twist this, whichever way you want to go with it. I need two hands, do I? Nope. There we go. Pull that out. You replace that with an orange bulb, and then these ones, you literally see this. These tabs go into the two little holes that are in there. See it in the corner? That pops in, and then there's this clips into there. And then, right, I'm going to get on with doing this. Right, front indicators are on. although they're flimsy as hell. I don't like the way they move. I mean, they're like, really don't like, they're probably going to fall out while driving, but I remember on my old Mark 3s, they're so flimsy, these things, they're just so wobbly. Right, let's get this front splitter on. And there we have it, indicators. Probably the worst fitting indicators I've ever fitted. And probably the worst fitting splitter I've ever bought. But from a distance, there we go. So, yeah, that's that. Splitter fitted, really bad. Splitter, I've had to screw it on underneath. And even then, it's just not long enough. It's not the right size. Anyway, indicators and fogs fitted, fake fogs. Side repeaters fitted. Hopefully the roof doesn't leak now. Now I've just got to get some brakes for the Passat. And fingers crossed, after replacing all the drive shafts, I can finally get rid of that knocking noise. We'll see, won't we? But yeah, I'm going to have to order them. It's too late to get them now. Tomorrow's Sunday, so I'll have to do it in the week sometime. So yeah, anyway, I would have got my stuff into the workshop. I really want to start using my workshop to do the videos in now, because it's pretty much done. Although we got, wow, look at this growing. That's going into my workshop. Oh, we've got flowers in here. It's a little feature point now. Anyway, I was going to be getting the cars in here, but as you can see here, tripping over stuff. As you can see here, the wind would stop blowing my gate shut. There's a Corsa stuck right in the way, and it's broken, and it's automatic, so I can't move it anywhere. So I can't drive any cars into my workshop. So that's the problem with that. Everything's just going wrong. I swear to God, it's just all going. Oh, bloody wind. Welcome to British summer, everybody. So yeah, that's the problem. Now, a quick recap. Got my new wheels. They fit lovely. They look cool. They're really rare. Like them. Love them. Brilliant. Valve holes are too small to fit standard valves in, so I'm going to have to figure out what valve hole sizes are, drill them, and hope I can get valves that fit them. Then I can get wheels on the Golf again. Roof on the Golf leaked like a sieve. First time it rained. Bloke that I bought it off didn't mention that. But I think I've sorted it by putting the roof down. We'll find out tomorrow if it rains again. Replaced all CB joints on the Passat. Tried to get rid of that knocking noise. Thought I'd sorted it. Went for a drive to pick the wheels up, and still doing it. But now there's like a squeak that runs. There's a squeak coming from the left brake that disappears when I put my foot on the brake. That is in exact sync with the knocking noise. So I think the brake discs are so warped from driving them quite fast that I just need new brakes. That's what's causing the knocking. Just the only other thing it could be is the diff, and I've already broke one of them. I don't want to do it. I don't want to replace a gearbox again. So that's a quick recap. So yeah, what was supposed to be a really good video of me saying, look at this, how to put these on and do all this stuff, has now turned into me just chatting crap to you on here, because I've not actually got anything done or got any further or done anything that I could film, because when I was out there doing the CB joint, it was peeing down, so I couldn't film. And yeah, hopefully next weekend we'll have some proper content where I get to do something where it's not peeing down on my head, or something doesn't go wrong that stops me from doing everything. So there we go. Cheers for watching and all that bollocks, because this video was crap. See you in the next one. Don't forget to check out my shop. I see that a grand total of 0 people have bought my merch, so appreciate that. Yeah, but it's probably because it's a silly price. Just to let you know, I can't choose the prices of the merch. It's a YouTube shop. I can't choose anything. I get like £3 maybe if you buy a 38 quid hoodie. So the merch is there, but yeah, I just thought I'd do the shop because now I can. Anyway, I'm chatting rubbish now. See you in the next one, peeps. All that jazz. Goodbye.